A drinks manufacturer claims that bottles of lemonade are manufactured with mean contents of 602 milliliters. Quality control does regular checks to ensure that the machine is filling bottles to a mean of 602 milliliters. They test whether the mean has changed at the 5% level by taking samples of 100 bottles and looking at the mean contents. They have identified the critical region as being below 600 milliliters or above 604 milliliters. So in part A, we want to state null and alternative hypotheses for the test. Well, H0 is always the situation of no change, so that's going to be that the mean is 602 milliliters. The alternative here, remember we've got critical regions below and above, so that's just going to be that mu has changed. Now, what we have is a critical region identified as above 604 and below 600. So 603.7 would be here. That's in the acceptance region. So in B part 1, we would accept H0 because we have no evidence that the mean has changed. In part 2, it's 599.9, which is here. That's in a critical region. So we would reject H0 and say that we have evidence at the 5% level that the mean has changed.